As we've learned, a pull system is based on real market demand, not schedules, forecasts, or estimates like a push system. In an effort to facilitate this process more effectively, it is very important to understand that customers are both internal and external to an organization. In a pull system, the next customer is the next downstream process step. To be more specific, each downstream process step is a customer to the previous upstream process step. In a push system, inventory is pushed to the next process step as soon as they are completed, even if the downstream customer is not ready for items. In a pull system, however, items are not produced until a downstream customer signals the upstream customer that they are ready. This prevents overproduction because it produces only to the customer demand. Much like a supermarket, customers retrieve what they need and the shelves are replenished based on that demand. This process is often facilitated by a Kanban card. The Kanban acts almost like a currency. Operators of a downstream process go to an upstream supermarket and withdraw using a Kanban. The Kanban then moves from the empty space in the market to produce or procure and refill the supermarket shelves. One important objective that the Kanban system helps fulfill is the control and management of production and inventory. By doing this, a company can lower their inventory to the absolute minimum amount needed so that they can avoid overproduction and prevent the buildup of excess inventory. This also prevents the need for holding large amounts of inventory to buffer your demand. We'll learn more about the Kanban system in future modules, and we'll see you in the next module.